Nope. Listen, pal. You can't trick us with the dragon. I killed the dragon. I'm a psychopath. I'm gonna just keep using on these on him, so we can try to trip him up. All right, you run after him. I'll start hitting him with the skulls again. I hit him with the madness. I'm out of FP. Yeah, no, I'm not. Don't worry. People really underestimate this weapon though, like for real. Gotta keep. I don't have it. I don't have it equipped. Do you have any more heals? Oh god. Okay.
Oh, ho, brother. Ho, whoa, whoa, whoa. Now you got too much dip on your chip.
Ah! Ah! But let him hit you.
Fatality.
Alright, just put your summon sign back down. Because he put a lot into agility, probably. There's also a... Okay, I'm dead. I'm gone. No, but he's going to kill me.
Finish him.
He's bloodlust!
Fatality.
Ah! Yeah, I died. I mean, we did almost kill him like a couple times, but... Alright.